Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So we have another property for sale. This is 17,860 square meters located in Barangay Salog, Hitapi, Bohol, and very close from National Highway. So the property is located in southern part of Bohol province. So in Hitapi. Hitapi, Bohol is a coastal town in southern part of Bohol that has a seaport going to Cebu City or Cebu province and other islands. So since it is a coastal town, there are so many boats, mga sakayan going some other places in islands of Bohol and Cebu. So this is the location, guys, no? It is along the river. So the property is along the river, this one, no? This so many trees. So kining daghang kahoy, guys, mao gyud ni ang property nga atong gina baligya, no? Mao ni siya ato ning gikuhaan og drone para maklaro. Then dire sa interior part of the property. So again, no, nadire there are 9 ears. So mga ears na ang mo perma sinunod man eh. So the size is 17,860 square meters, but only 8 ears, walo ra ka buok ang mobaligya. So they will retain a portion of around 1,984.44 square meters. Di minus na to na siya, guys, nanas mga 15,800 plus. Ito, basta naa sa computation. So ang gi-for sale is 15,875.55 square meters. But still all are going to sign. So sila tanan mo pirma provided that the portion of around 1,900 will retain or remain. So this is the elevated portion of the property. So there was a kanang house on that part before, then of their parents, pero wala na, guba na, it was destroyed already. So the only is the trees, no, around bamboo trees, many more, and there are banana trees also inside. And this open area is part of the property, no, this is part. So ang sukdon lang nato, guys, all we need to do is to survey, no, and retain the portion. So atong sukdon ang portion na ni, guys, nga 1,984.44 square meters, kay mao man gyud ipabilin, dili man siya mobaligya. So pero much better okay ra sad, no? Basta ang price is 150 pesos. Barato ra kay ni, kay mostly good diri si Hitapi nagmahal ng yuta ani, because they are tend to increase the prices in the Hitapi area because of the kaning hugna nga rumors that there gonna be a bridge Cebu to Bohol or Bohol to Cebu. So bridge, no, Bohol and Cebu Friendship Bridge. So mao na gi-title, no, but upon our kanang what you call that, sa atong pag-usisa ba to the news, no, it is a PPP, private partnership, no, program, meaning private, pareha ng siselect. So sila ang mo develop supposedly, no, pohon kung malayon, dili pata ka siguro, kay they are still under studying the the situation. if they gonna be feasible to have a bridge Bohol to Cebu, because according to the news their struggle is the connecting Cebu, Santa Rosa ba to o Cordoba area, kay kusog ang bawd. So because of the wave, no, of the sea sa dagat, no, kusog ang hangin, so mo nang ila pa nang gi-observe. So this is the property, it has so many trees yun guys, no. And the good thing lang yun ani guys, it's along the river. So if you have a plan to bring your boat or whatever your plans, okay good kayo ni, since barato ra gyud pod siya. Although there was a time that there was someone, no, who is kuan basta influensyado sad, pero maulagit to kay mura mag nadunggan nako nga barato ra gyud pod kayo, wa gyud magkasabot. So karon they finalize the price at 150 pesos per square meter. The owner of this is one of my friend lang gyud, living here in Trinidad, Bohol. So right now guys, basig matingala mo na napuko sa Trinidad, Tubigon, Trinidad. So this river is no, is already along the property. So nag-along ni siya sa property kini nga river guys. So meaning ang flood control o paman kaabot dito dapita, dito ra mas dapit sa bridge. So basig moabot ra pod ang flood control diha in the future, no. Much better na lang mapalit ni nato. Pero kini this flat terrain is not part already, only those with so many trees, no. Kini nya kadtong likod nga usa nga nay mga rice bed is part of the property. Pero kini guys, dili kini sa part sa property, kini it's not really part of the property. Kadto ra nga ay mga kawayan, so those with planted with bamboos and assorted trees, this one guys, so these are part of the property. This is good, ideal for poultry, piggery or duck farm. So whatever you do, the good thing here is really near to the highway, very close from the highway, and it has already a road right of way. So na siya pagyanan sa una mong gid guys, nagbaligya na mi ani to taon naman nagbaligya. It's been for sale, I think most probably more than a year ago, but it was not realized that there was a road right of way. Now since the flood tawagan na, the flood control is there already, so there was a setback given to the government, or the government has a setback to have a road right of way. So na siya, but the owner still have to negotiate the front of the land. Okay ni tubangan mo negotiate yapon sila, pero no problem because that is their neighbors, so mga kailar na nila. We can assure that we can have a road right of way. So this is the drone video guys, makita man nato, no, the drone video. So this drone video, no, so just contact me, WhatsApp, Viber, so email address. So see this so many trees, no, nag-elevate ni diri guys kining tunga sa daghang kahoy. So this with trees are elevated area. So meaning if there is a flooding, for example flooding kay, because you know you cannot deny man because of the flow from the higher from the mountain. If there is a for example heavy rain, so mo flooding yun na basa. Pero diri sad kay dako naman na ayo naman ang flood control. So mo na flood control guys, no, kana na murag kulang pagyud mago, pero hapit na, but it's still enough, no, that your boat during high tide, no, it will reach to that point nga makasulod ra gyud sa imong property if you have a boat or bangka, basta high tide lang, because this is connecting to the sea. Mo connect ni siya nga to sa dagat guys, kini nga river. This river will connect to the it is approximately 3 or more or less 3 to or 3,000 meters away from to the open sea. So mo nay istorya sa owner, no, nga mga 3,000 or 3 kilometers to the open sea. So this is the one we are going to negotiate. The owner will negotiate this one with my motorcycle, no, nga ako na guys, me is standing by. So mo na guys, no, ako mo isa. So mao na siya guys, nga pohon kung mapalit yun ni nimo or you can buy this property. I think it is really a good investment. Although guys, I have already a special power of attorney by the owners to get the title, because this title is pre-patent, no, free patent. Katubang gilibre sa diin na arbagi process, pre-patent na siya guys. Nya kuhaunon to sa DNR since mas safe man og kuhaunon nga to sa Register of Deeds. So this is part of the property guys, kini ako yung butangan. So kini with mostly are bamboo trees yun, no, mao gina siya guys. Nga malantaw pa itong likod, pa dito ang river. Pero gikulbaan ako diri guys because of the nagloko ang akong drone, murag nakuyawan ko ba, pero at least naka drone pa jud kog tarong. So this is really good, no, sana ba ta kong istorya. So mana, no, so ang flood control murag di ana ra gyud dapita guys, nakaabot dito sa kilid sa atong kuan, pero maybe in the future, no, it will reach to the property, beside of the property. Again, no, we go back to the story that it is around 3 kilometers from the property to the open sea. So meaning kung dako lang high tide lang guys, makasulod yun ang imong bangka or jet ski ba, kanang litag makapalit kag jet ski, makasulod yun na basta high tide lang. Pero low tide, dito taman sa unahan. So actually it's really nice property, you know. Hitape, dili pa kay ni progressive nga town, it's not really progressive, but next is Talibon is really the progressive town, which is around 20 kilometers away from here, from the property. Mga 20 ka kilometro Talibona, where there are malls, shopping malls, mga kumprahan na nimo, public market, no, progressive man gid sa Talibon pod. So banks, hotels, daghan sa Talibon. So mo na dia, mahal po dito yuta, it's really expensive, no, ang the land are expensive most probably in Talibon, but in the mountain barangay it's still affordable. Going back to the property, no, so this can be the road right of way, although there was already a kanang gitawag og kalang-kalang na ba, it's still like a road. So we need to consider siguro neighbors that will pass through to the property, because they are making a road traversing to the property. So naghimo sila karsada nga niagi ra gyud sa yuta. Pero since we are, for example, we are buying the property, you need to consider also din, no, to let them pass the neighbor, no, pagi alang taon pod kay love your neighbors man, ana magina. But you can still have a good fence, no, kuan na nimo. Then another, in this location, no, are so many kuan na guys, kanang rocks inside to the property. Then there was also another story that, you know, during Japanese time, there was anang gibutang ko no diha atong mga treasure. Ako na yung mga nihangyo diha, mga foreigners kay maglungag diha, pero wa sila mosugot. Somebody foreigners ko no, getting inside the property, asking the owner that they are going to dig for the treasure. That is the story of the owner. It's not mine. So one of the owner telling me regarding that. But anyway, we don't know if it's really true, no? Kay bawag tinuod bag di ba, pero if you're interested, you just buy, then you can bring your own detector for treasure hunting. Bitaw guys, you know, the property is really nice kung imong malimpyuhan. If you can clean up, segregate the trees, which gwapo gyud kayo, and it's really affordable. Barato ra gini siya, honestly lang. Mga 2 million kapin gamay, mga 2.1 something, no? Hindi naman nila pangyuan, mao naman yun. So that is their final price. So again, there was someone, no, which is a little bit influenced, no, because taga diha. So pero wa gyud nila makuan, wala gyud nila malubag ang tag-iya. Kay ni kuan gyud ni stick to the price gyud sila guys. So if you have 2.1 million, why you can't buy? Although the property is really increasing the price. Naman yun na, how much more if there gonna be a bridge, no? Kung madayon gyud ang bridge guys, di na gyud mo kapalit ani nga presyo ha guys. So again, taas naman ni nga video, you need to have patience. So kita nimo ang river, no, the neighborhood. So a little bit cool, no, bugnaw sa dire. So nindot yun guys, nag-abot nimo Cebu City, it's just only 1 hour and a half ocean jet from Hitapi to Cebu City. Murag sa Pier 1 maning ocean jet ani manakay. And others, there's also a Lapu-Lapu route, po diha route, and Cordoba route going to Hitapi. So pabor gyud ni taga Sugbo. Bisag taga Bohol ka, okay ra sa ni kayo guys. There are banana trees, so big plot. Dako magyapon ang plot guys, di magyapon na makuan. So 2 hours drive from Tagbilaran City, or let's say 2 hours and 30 minutes. So this is the back portion of the property and along the river, but it is not part, no, it's a part. Katurang isa nga na along the river siya guys, nagluko diri na kusog nagdagan akong drone, abi ko masyat diri sa river, may gani kani tipas. Sus, kuyawan na gyud ko, goodbye drone gyud. So mana guys, din na lang kini gyud ang boundary line. This one is the boundary line. Okay, for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. Bohol and Cebu lang guys, na mahala ni amo ang makayara. Then if you have properties for sale in Bohol and Cebu lang yapon, will help you sell your property. Amo ra magyapong i-publish diri na. So mao na ni, no, ari ta mo agi. This is along the river ta mo agi. So mao niyang flood control. So ana, pero pag abot sunahan o tapay wa matiwas sa kanang budget diha. Pero sige lang, basta naa na tayo agyanan, okay na kayo guys. Okay, connect and highway na gaya na guys. Kita nimo under the bridge, so there is a boat. Nindot kayo na panahon guys, high tide na guys, makasur na ng umuhang boat dito. Your boat, if high tide, your boat can indicate the side. Timing mo na natong taas o tao. That is the bridge, no? So, pwede ka mamasol, mamanggal. Namanggal dito ganito. Manggal ka ito mga alimango. So crabs, mamuha na diri, dagko ito ganina. So mana siya guys. So this is the National Highway. Thank you.